Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today I have a lovely unboxing for you of the Chanel Mademoiselle. I purchased it. For those of you guys who saw my birthday haul video, you know that I think I did a review on it. I did a video on it, and yeah, so I went to the Chanel store for my birthday, and I purchased the Chanel COCO Mademoiselle. And I had been hearing about it, and I wanted to try it, and I still didn't, I tried it because I have a sample of it, but I didn't do an official unboxing of it. So this is the official unboxing video. I'm so excited because when I did the video back in May, my birthday is May 18th, so I did the video around that time. I didn't unbox it, I just spoke about it, and I spoke about my experience going to the Chanel store, which was truly amazing. Guys, if you have a Chanel store in your area, I would definitely recommend just going in there. Even if you're not gonna make a purchase, just go inside the store. It's free to look, it's free to go about. I know for some people who are not used to going into those types of luxury stores, it may seem intimidating or anything like that, but promise me, just go. I promise you, it's not. Just go inside, be yourself, smell some of the different fragrances. You might find something that you like. Go look at the bags, go look at the shoes. You know, it's a vibe. So yeah, so that's what I decided to do for my birthday. And yeah, so this is the Chanel. When you go inside of the actual store, because I have purchased on the website before, and on the website, like they send you what you ordered, and then they send you a few samples, but it's not really like, I don't know, it's not the same experience. I mean, when you get it and you open up your box, they box it up very nicely for you, but just going inside of the store, speaking to a human, talking to people, seeing people, the experience is just so much better. You feel attended to, you get a shopping assistant who will help you with everything. They give you their personal name and their number so that you can contact them, and they can contact you when they have exclusive things. It's just an awesome feeling. So when you go into the store, you get to have a nice little shopping bag, and they put this nice little flower on it, and they put a nice little ribbon. One of the Chanel assistants told me that they never cut, like how you see on the ribbon here, it says Chanel. They don't ever cut the word Chanel. They cut after it so that you can get the whole name. So just little details and things like that that you'll learn when you go to these stores. So here is the COCO Mademoiselle, and I got the 3.0. Oh, the light on this camera. And I had it backwards. I was looking at it, so like, yeah, this is it right here. And I got the 3.4 ounce, and it comes in a 1.2, a 1.7, a 3.4, and a 6 ounce or 6 point something ounce. Those are the sizes. So different price ranges. I think the lowest price range is like $89 all the way up to, I think, $200 and something dollars. This one is a 3.4. As a matter of fact, I'll tell you now because I have the receipt here. They give you this cute little card with your receipt inside and the information for your shopping assistant. This was mine. If you're ever in the New York City area, you can speak to, what was her name? Laura. She was very helpful. And this is the receipt, because I forgot how much I paid for it. As you see, guys, I got it like 3 days before my birthday on the 15th. And it was $145. And with the tax, it came out to $157. So that's for the 3.4. But if you get the smaller sizes, it'll be cheaper. Just check out the website and or go into the store. So they also give you samples with your purchase, but we're gonna get into opening this because I haven't opened it before. If you hear dangling, guys, that's my bracelet. Isn't this the cutest little charm bracelet? It has Louis Vuitton, and it's pink and the bling. I bought it from one of the other business owners on Instagram who makes these. So they're like custom made and they're so cute. You know, anything with pink and bling, you know I love it. And that's just me. I don't care. That's just me. That's just a part of me. And I think it's cute. So you hear the dangling. I like it too, because then like when you walk somewhere and then they hear dangling, like they're like, who's that? And it's like, I don't know. That's just me. So this is the official unboxing. I have my screwdriver here. This is what I use to open up my boxes. I just did a video on the Gucci Bloom slide, so definitely check that out. That video should be up first. I'm going to open it up. Hope I don't destroy it. Should have got scissors. So you get to open it with me, guys, and experience. Because I've watched a couple of these unboxing videos with luxury products and stuff like that. I love them. I love them. So I hope that I can bring so much joy to you guys too, because I love these videos. Okay, so I opened it, and let's see. The box is like a cream colored, and you see with gold trim all around, and the Chanel logo right here, and like I think underneath there's like serial numbers and stuff like that, because they do sell fake perfume, so you gotta watch out. There are videos on the real ones, so definitely check those out, like just to make sure. Okay, so child, do you want people to get this stuff out? Oh my gosh, look how big this bottle is. Guys, I had bought the Gabrielle Essence and I had gotten the 1.2 ounce, so it was much smaller, and I ran through that so quickly. So I definitely wanted to try the Mademoiselle, and oh my gosh, just seeing the bottle is just so nice. Look at that. Oh, I'm trying not to get the glare of the light. Let me put the light down so you guys can see. And I'll put it up when I'm done. But this is the bottle, guys. It is so pretty, as you can see. And it has like the trim up here. And you see COCO Mademoiselle Chanel. So that's it. Let me put the light back up. Okay. So this is the bottle. So let's get into the smell. I've smelled this before because obviously I have samples, but you know, we gotta smell it again. You can't have too much. Shake it, shake, shake, shake. Shake it up. And it's, I think it's, no, it's not. I don't know, it feels like it could be magnetic. Yeah, I think it is magnetic too. Oh gosh, it smells so good. And you know, I'm actually allergic, but if I do it on my wrist, it's not that bad. This is the Mademoiselle Intense. They have a regular one and then they have an intense one. This is the Intense, and I can smell it right away because I don't need to spray any more. Like, that did it for me. And if you guys like to just have on, like, you don't want to spray too much. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells awesome. It smells divine. Oh, okay, let's get into the notes of this perfume. Okay guys, I had to do some research on the notes because I didn't know exactly what they were, and I kind of had an idea, like I picked up some of them, but I didn't know exactly, so I looked them up. So the notes in the COCO Mademoiselle Chanel Intense, and this is the eau de parfum, so that's usually stronger than like the eau de toilette and stuff like that. The notes are citrus, vanilla, patchouli, like a sweet woody amber, and warm spicy balsamic rose, and I think that's it. I hope that's it. Oh, and yeah, rose. And so it's like it's a warm floral scent. So if you, most of what they mentioned, I love, and it is awesome. So yeah, it smells really, really good. But if you don't want something so strong, you would opt for the Mademoiselle, the regular one, eau de parfum. It's not so strong as this one, but They and if you look at my other video, you'll see when I went into the store, and you'll hear the sales assistant helping me and telling me about what the differences are. And I'll link the description in the I'll link the video in the description. As soon as I smelled this one, I knew that this was the one. So everybody's gonna be different. So when you go in the store, that's why it's good to go into the store, try them out. They're there to help you. That's what they're there for, to help you find what it is that you like. And then when you do, you'll know, okay, this is the one I want. This is the one that resonates with me. And also they say that like everybody's body chemistry is different. So it's gonna be different for everybody. So I would definitely recommend this. I think this is definitely gonna be a staple in my collection. And normally I just spray on my clothes because again, I'm allergic, but I love the smell. Like if I spray too much, I have eczema and it breaks out my skin like any type of perfumes and stuff like that. I have very sensitive skin, so, but I spray it on my clothes and I definitely recommend this. So I'll talk to you a little bit. Let me put this back in the box. I'll talk to you a little bit about the samples that it came with. And I don't have all of them again, but I remember what she gave me. And I recently went to the Chanel store again and purchased something with someone else, but it wasn't for me. The samples that they gave me was the beige Chanel, which I really like, and the Chanel Chance. They have different variations of the Chance, but I think after I tried a couple of them, I prefer the Chanel Chance, the regular one. So I'm gonna get a bottle of this, and this one comes in like this round bottle here. And I have finished my original samples that they gave me, but I recently went to the Chanel store and I got some more samples. She gave me like 3 of these, but this one also came with a sample Mademoiselle, like a little baby one, and I'll show you guys. It is so cute, and I just about went through it. This was, I think, she gave me a sample of the regular one, not the Intense, and that was it. The Chance, and then the beige, and then also mascara, which I haven't tried yet. I'm so surprised. I still have like my birthday bags and stuff. I just now took down my birthday balloons after they deflated and everything like that. That's a whole thing. And so yeah, I totally forgot that I had the mascara, so I'm definitely gonna try that. And I have some of these little samples. Let me make sure I'm still recording. I have some of these samples. This is like skincare stuff. This is like, I think, gel, like hydrogel, micro gel. I think like a moisturizer for your face, guys. She gave me these. So they definitely showed me so much love in the store. So yeah, that's the end of my haul. Also check out my website, kharyzmaforyou.com, because I sell lip glosses. The lip gloss that I'm wearing today is Princess Pink, and I can reapply some now for you guys. This is a nude color, and you see, it's not sticky or anything, goes on smooth, has a wonderful light scent, and it's pink and it's pretty. I have so many more colors, so definitely check me out at kharyzmaforyou.com. Please follow me on Instagram. My business Instagram is kharyzmaforyou fashion, and my style Instagram, which is very new, which is gonna showcase lifestyle, like reviews, product reviews, some of my fashions and some of other people's fashions. It's on Instagram, Kharyzma for You Style. Everything will be in the description bar. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and ask any questions that you want in regards to my Chanel experience, the perfumes and stuff like that. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.